Tired of canned soups loaded with salt and lacking in vegetables? Discover how to make a delicious homemade minestrone soup packed with fresh ingredients and vibrant flavors. This recipe was inspired by the vegetable-rich minestrone served at Sheepherders Inn in Sacramento, California. It combines a medley of vegetables, beans, and pasta in a savory tomato-based broth. To create this hearty soup, you will need olive oil, garlic, onions, celery, carrots, tomato sauce, chicken broth, water, and optional red wine for the base. The vegetable mix includes zucchini, baby spinach, green beans, and kidney beans. Fresh basil and oregano add aromatic herbs, while shell pasta provides a satisfying texture. A sprinkle of Parmesan cheese tops it off. Begin by heating olive oil in a large stock pot over medium-low heat. Sauté minced garlic until fragrant, then add chopped onions and cook until translucent. Next, introduce the celery and carrots, sautéing briefly to enhance their flavors. Pour in the tomato sauce, chicken broth, and water, bringing the mixture to a boil while stirring frequently. If using, add the red wine at this point, then reduce the heat to low. Now it is time to incorporate the remaining vegetables and beans. Stir in the zucchini, spinach, green beans, and kidney beans. Season with fresh basil, oregano, salt, and pepper. Allow the soup to simmer for 30 to 40 minutes, letting the flavors meld and the vegetables cook to perfection. While the soup simmers, cook the shell pasta separately until al dente. This prevents the pasta from becoming mushy in the soup. To serve, place a portion of cooked pasta in each bowl, ladle the hot soup over it, and garnish with grated Parmesan cheese and a drizzle of olive oil. This minestrone soup makes for a satisfying meal when paired with hearty bread and a crisp romaine salad. It offers a balance of nutrients, with each serving providing 193 calories, 9 grams of fat, 26 grams of carbohydrates, and 7 grams of protein. Enjoy this flavorful, vegetable-packed minestrone soup as a comforting and nutritious meal any day of the week.